Hey there, cleaning enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance cleaning with the Kärcher K 2.360 pressure washer, a German-engineered powerhouse designed to make your cleaning tasks a breeze. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the N-Cor pump. This bad boy generates an impressive max pressure of 120 bar, all while sipping on just 1,400 watts of power. It's like having a cleaning superhero at your fingertips. Equipped with a Vario lance and dirt blaster, this versatile machine is your go-to solution for cleaning delicate surfaces like cars or tackling tougher terrains such as stone and brickwork. It's a one-size-fits-all cleaning companion. But wait, there's more. The K 2.360 comes with an integrated detergent tank, making it a breeze to apply detergent directly through the machine. Say goodbye to the hassle of separate containers and hello to convenience. Mobile and compact, this all-rounder is perfect for light soiling. Whether it's your garden furniture, bicycles, or small areas around the house, the K 2.360 has got you covered. Get ready to say goodbye to cluttered storage spaces and hello to the game changer in cleaning technology, the Kärcher K 2.360 pressure washer. With its upright design, the Kärcher K 2.360 pressure washer is the perfect space-saving solution. Keep your accessories, cables, hose, and trigger gun neat and tidy right on the machine thanks to its onboard storage solutions. Experience the power of German technology with the Kärcher K 2.360 pressure washer, complete with a 1-year brand warranty. Ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine? Click the link below to make it a part of your arsenal. Happy cleaning!